How to read Snapchat message without them knowing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you read Snapchat message without them knowing. So what you need is first of all, want to open the Snapchat application and go to the chat section. Now there isn't a direct way you could do this, but what you need to do is, in order to do it in an indirect way, first of all, now this might actually work, but it actually depends on a user as well. So what you need is, here as you can see, there's a new chat, right? I've not opened this up. Now what I need to do is just hold on to this chat section, and just holding on to it, I just need to go ahead and just tap onto their profile name just like this, and without releasing your finger, you can just use another finger as well, and there you have these chat. Now without leaving your finger or releasing your finger, you just need to do is the same thing. And as you could see, that I've actually read it, but you just need to do it in this way, and you'll be able to read the Snapchat message without them knowing. So this is the only alternative solution that I can provide you regarding reading Snapchat message without them knowing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.